Welcome back, Earl Entertainment, baby. We're out here. This is Earl Entertainment, aka the next big thing. Hey guys, welcome back to the Earl Entertainment YouTube channel. Tonight we are going to be taking out the 2009 Dodge Challenger SRT8. And old girl's been sitting in the barn for about 2 months now, I'd say. You know, it's good to keep them running, keep the battery charged up, the oil moving around, and as well as the grease. So we're gonna take it for a spin. She's pretty snappy. Last time we had this car out, we brought it to New England Dragway. So this car's got 5,000 miles on it. You know, these tires are what came with it from the factory. And you can see the right angle here. Got a little bit of rubber on the back bumper there. And no, I didn't intentionally do a burnout before running the quarter mile. But when we went to take off, the tires just lit right up through first and second gear. All right, guys, as you can see, old girl still got it in her. That was it. That's all we had for today. Just a quick exercise of the SRT8. Appreciate everybody tuning in. Till the next time, Earl Entertainment. Peace.